Annyeonghaseyo, Lindy.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So since you didn't able to join the monthly donation earlier, we're here to give you your monthly allowance. 2,000 from Uncle Chu Sung-jin, Team Jangnim. What will you say?
Uncle Chu Sung-jin, Team Jangnim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
So do you have any message for your sponsor?
Yeah. Annyeonghaseyo, Chu Sung-jin, Team Jangnim. Thank you for supporting me and thank you for your kindness and good health. Kamsahamnida.
Bye-bye.
내가 제일 잘 나가. 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 제일 잘 나가.
Pilis ako picture na yan.
Okay na?
Annyeonghaseyo, Jessie and Jasmine.
안녕하세요.
So this is your uniform. So please receive Jessie and Jasmine.
감사합니다.
Good afternoon, Genevieve.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so today I will task you in a multiplication test and I give you 10 question random. If your answer is correct, wala kay wrong, I will put you in a special student. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. Okay. 8 times 6.
48.
9 times 5.
45.
6 times 6.
36.
4 times 8.
32.
3 times 8.
24.
7 times 6.
42.
8 times 7.
56.
7 times 7.
49.
6 times 3.
18.
9 times 9.
81.
Okay, so starting now, pwede na ka mosulod sa special study. Annyeonghaseyo!
Annyeonghaseyo!
Okay, so we will have a game. Magbato-bato pick sila, then ang lose mo'y, kung malose, mo'y mukaon og kimchi. Okay, so start!
April mo!
You like kimchi?
Yes.
Topic. Hoy, pinili ka na dyan. Kaon ka dyan.
Right words, the, of, and, to, and, is, you, that, it, he, was, for, on, are, us, with, his, they, I, at, be, this, have, from, or, one, had, by, words, but, not, what, on, where, we, when, your, can, said, three, their, use, and, each, which, she, do, how, there, if, when, up, other, about, how many, then, this song, some, hair, would, make, like, hand.
Ay, apel dyan ko.
So, annyeonghaseyo everyone. Today is Saturday. So, I am going to KitKat Auntie's where KitKat is living. This is their house. Ayo! Kat! Oh, nas KitKat? Annyeonghaseyo KitKat. Sige, kayog niyo karon. Nasi koan. Si Wawa. Si Manang na? Oh. Ay Manang, ay. Kasayo na ni hapon, God.
Lagi, gutom naman.
Kat rin. This is KitKat Auntie. This house where KitKat is living together with Uncle. And their business is ice business, which is going to beach supply. They are going to supply the beach sari-sari store here. Pila gani ni siya kuya ang ice mo dito?
Tag 4 ang usa niya, bigyan lang dito 20.
Okay, so Kuya Marlon, the uncle of KitKat, we're going to sell the ice for 4 pesos each.
And, kamusta man imong school, Kat? How's your grade? Nagka-grado?
Wala ko 6 ko.
Ha? Kasi naka-6?
Besides,
Ang imuhang exam. Pero ang imong grado in general,
gamay kayo.
gamay ra. Sige lang, paningkamot lang ha.
Mapi.
Ug mapi. Ang say sudan manang?
Nukos na gagmay.
Nukos ka gagmay. Kasi yun mo nagkaon manang eh.
Gusto mo snap.
Okay. This is their house. Kitchen. And CR. KitKat is a broken family. Asa si Papa ganin nimo karon, Kat?
Nabu.
Dali. Naasa Bohol. So napa may communication with your father, napa magtawag pa siya dili na.
Tawag
Sa high. So is your father giving you an allowance? Wala. Muhatag siya allowance? Wala.
Sayra.
O sa Hira. Pero how much masad ihatag?
500. 1,000.
Panagsara jud. So in general kinsa may go support sa imong studies karon? Kinsa may makatag nimo balon? Si Wowo. So si Wowo KitKat uncle is the one give the baon of KitKat. This one, si Wowo ko no. The one give. Tagpila ka ihatag ni Wowo? 50 a day. So sakto ra ang 50. Apil na snacks. Okay. So study hard lang ha. Okay, that's it for now and bye. Kamsahamnida.
One more time.
Happy birthday, Hannah. Happy birthday, Hannah. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Hannah.
Happy birthday, Hannah.
Thank you.
Oh, how old are you na, Hannah? What?
13.
13. Okay. Pakso!
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Michael.
Annyeonghaseyo, Eliza.
This is my project and called Bunny.
Wow, that's very good. Okay. So, this is your project. It's called Banig. So, who made your project? So, kinsa may naghimo sa imong project?
Ang mama ug ang ate ako.
Wow, kitabangan kag himo nila? Okay, that's very good. Wow. All right. Just to let you know, Eliza, I'm proud of you because you did your best and you keep focusing on your studies. You make your projects and I'm rooting for you, okay? Fighting?
Bye.
Okay, all right. Bye-bye.
Bye.